having good habitat and wildlife is just only one element of what makes a successful nature reserve. At Kuala Selangor, you can see the other very essential element to making a site successful for nature tourism, which is good road access. So there are good roads which have been constructed here at this site managed by the Malaysian Nature Society, and because there are good roads, a group of bird watchers like us can walk around comfortably with telescopes, on tripods, cameras on tripods and so on, and good access is essential.